When your girlfriend ends up telling you, you know, gee, it looks like you're losing a little bit of your hair, it's kind of time to start taking action. My friend recommended Robotic Hair Restoration of Long Island to me, and you just couldn't ask for better professionalism. From the first moment I came in with Mike right up until and including the day of the procedure, they were just professional and friendly, and you felt at ease. I'm not the kind of guy that's going to be coming back for more and more. I just want it done once. Well, to me, with the ARTAS robotic procedure, it kind of takes away any human error. Everything is done to the precision and perfection that you would be hoping for. All they cared about was your comfort, you know, and I had a big procedure too, and you feel like you're the only person, which you are, the only person in the room, the only person that mattered, and for that day, you know, it was all about you. So the whole experience was really great.